Now we're multiplying fractions, but we're going to write our fraction in its most simplified form. And here we're going to do that by simplifying at the end. So we know that when we multiply fractions, we're just multiplying the numerators to get our numerator and multiplying the denominators to get our denominator. So 4 times 5 is 20, 5 times 6 is 30. So we have 20 over 30, but we can simplify that fraction because 20 and 30 are both in the 10 times table. We can say that the highest common factor of 20 and 30 is 10, so that's what we're dividing by. 20 divided by 10 is 2, 30 divided by 10 is 3, so in its most simplified form, our answer is 2/3. Now 8 tenths times 4 tenths, so we can multiply the numerators and we get 32, multiply the denominators and we get 100. But 32 over 100 can be simplified. Both 32 and 100 are obviously in the 2 times table, so we could divide by 2, but where we can, try to find the highest common factor. 32 and 100 are both in the 4 times table, so we could divide by 2 and divide by 2 again, but we might save ourselves time by dividing by 4. So 32 divided by 4 is 8, 100 divided by 4 is 25. We can't simplify 8/25 any further, so that's our answer in its most simplified form. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.